Google is launching the Pixel 10 family at its upcoming event taking place on August 20th. Now the vanilla Pixel 10 has been portrayed in some official-looking leak renders. The Google Pixel 10 colors will include Obsidian, Indigo, Frost, and Limoncello. The main upgrade in the Pixel 10 compared to its predecessor from last year is the addition of a third camera, a telephoto. The Pixel 10's main camera will be 48 MP, the ultrawide 12 MP, and the telephoto 10.8 MP. The Pixel 10 is expected to feature a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. The screen will be protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus 2 and could offer a peak brightness of 3000 nits. Powering the device will likely be Google's Tensor G5 processor, with 12 GB of RAM and offer storage options of 128 GB and 256 GB. The phone could pack a 4,970 mAh battery with support for 29W wired fast charging and 15W Qi 2 wireless charging. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.